Hi, I'm packing for Carnival. I'm going to show you some of the things I'm taking minus the clothes. Originally, I was going to do a carry-on and everything fit, but after looking at everything Tribe is giving out, the goodie bags and everything, all the cups and stuff and all the little things I need, I decided instead of struggling, I'm just going to go ahead and check a bag. So let me show you what I'm taking with me to Carnival. For the water activities, I have my water shoes, waterproof cell phone case, my GoPro, the floating attachment, and the case for it, my GoPro case, and everything. This is my favorite attachment. It goes on your hand. I have this organizer that keeps all of my plugs and cords organized. Little Lysol spray and wipes, because I definitely wipe down the seat and the tray table every time I travel, when I get to hotels, the remote, the light fixtures, everything. Travel pillow, travel blanket in its case with the trolley sleeve, so it goes right over my suitcase handle, or the carabiner to attach, I think it's called a carabiner, to attach to my backpack. Snacks. I have to have snacks. So, and for this trip, I have my garment bag, hopefully on my way back. I'm gonna put my backpack in this and bring it back with me. Some things I got specifically for being on the road in Carnival. I have pasties, of course, because if you've seen the costume that I'm wearing, it doesn't leave a lot to the imagination, and nobody wants any malfunctions. So pasties, I like these. They come in a little case. You can fit other ones in there. I have fishnets. These are the unjeweled ones. I also have jeweled ones packed. I have my little sewing kit. I'm also taking my glue gun, and I have a whistle. So nobody's leaving me behind. And I have a neck fan, but I ordered this one. It's a little portable fan with 2 settings, and it charges with the USB. I have my Dr. Scholl inserts in all of my shoes. These are the ones I'm wearing with my costume. I ordered this braids shower cap because it's longer, but basically this is going to be for the wet vets. So I got this. I saw a lot of people paying $30–40 for these shower caps for the day. $5 on Amazon. I was also told to bring baby oil to put on your skin before you go to the paint parties, because it makes it easier to get all the paint off of you. So I have that. I have emergency, and because I always lose my voice, throat coat. Want to make sure I stay hydrated, so I got the liquid IV. Kind of multiplies what you're drinking, your water intake. And because I'm a thickums, chub rub, because they're going to be rubbing. Thick thighs save lives, but they also rub. I have learned my lesson after many concerts and other events, so earplugs. Epsom salt rub for those feet, marching all day on the road. And because there will be a lot of drinking, no nice way to say it, there'll be a lot of drinking, and me eating everything that I see in sight, because I don't discriminate when it comes to food, charcoal pills. One of the good tips I got was to put your name on your cup, because they're going to be giving out cups at some of the events, and then you put what you're drinking on there with a number to make it easier for the bartender. So I went ahead and made some labels for some of my friends. I always have those extra drink toppers, so that's another thing to kind of distinguish your drink between all the others. So I only need one, but I have a pack full of like 5 or 6, so I'll share those with some of my friends. Usually I don't travel with this because I'm usually in just a carry-on, but since I've changed my plan, this holds all my glasses, and then it just rolls up and snaps, but when it's open, you can hang it on the door so you can get to your glasses. Everything besides the clothes, that's all of the little knickknacks and things that I've picked up, tips and tricks that I've been looking at. Hopefully all those things help and I have a great carnival experience. But yes, next time I see you, I will be reviewing my carnival experience.